Ooh, you ready for these cookies?
Hey Banks family, how y'all doing?
What's happening? What's going on?
Okay guys, so today we are taking you to the kitchen, and guess what we're cooking?
Ayamashe. It's not our traditional kind of food, but we're gonna give it a try.
So for those that don't know, Ayamashe is the Ofada stew. You all know the Ofada stew and the Ofada rice. So it's not our native food, but we are going to be preparing it today. This is our recipe for the Ayamashe. You know this kind of pepper, the TATASHE, you know. That's the main ingredients for this food.
What about
So
this one?
this is locust beans, and this we still have the normal pepper, but just 3 pieces, you know. But these other big ones, I'm going to show you how to use it. You'll be shouting that how can this be the main sauce? It's going to be pepperish and all that, but I'll show you how to do it.
But obviously it's meant to be pepperish.
It's not meant to be pepperish.
Not?
No, it's not.
Okay.
Okay guys, here is my Atarodo and TATASHE. Wash and slice into the blender and blend slightly. Yeah, then you squeeze out the water from the Atarodo, let it be a little, you know, thick. Pour your blended Atarodo into your clean pot and stir. Then add your blended onions, stir and heat it on the fire for about 15 minutes. Yeah, you can see. Now you have to put your garlic and ginger with your spices like your Maggi and naan. Then stir very well and cover it for about 15 minutes. And make sure it's, you know, dries up very well before you can start. This is your red oil. Make sure it's well bleached. You put in your sliced onions and fry your chopped beef, your chopped assorted. You guys can see how I'm doing it here. When you're done frying, you dish it out into a plate and reduce your oil. Yes, reduce your oil. Add another fresh sliced onions. Then you have to put your locust beans and stir very well. Its aroma, it's wonderful. Now you have to add your crayfish, your blended crayfish, and add salt to taste. You can either add it in the oil or your blended Atarodo, any which way is cool. Then you have to add your Atarodo to your blended oil and stir very well. It's just the simple. Add your eggs and cover it for about 15 minutes. Don't let it burn, just keep checking on it once in a while. And yeah, you guys can see it's almost done. Then add your chopped assorted meat. Just as easy as that. Okay guys, so this is the Ofada stew everybody knows about. It's just very easy. You guys can see it's just easy. Just make sure you have your, you know, ingredients, and it's all good. Bye bye.
You can see Oga is no longer here. You know guys now, they can start the kitchen with you, but they will never end it with you. But anyway, he went for a jog. This is the Ofada rice with the stew. In the village, Ofada is normally eaten with this leaf. So they say it's more delicious to eat with a leaf than to eat with plate, you know, traditionally, but it's always the same taste. I don't know why they want to do that. In order to give credit to culture, I'm going to be trying it with the leaf. So I hope your cutlery. Anyways, I'm going to be testing it with my hands. I'm never buying this outside again. Oh my god. I used to trip for this thing when I go to Abuja. When I go to Abuja, it's a part of food I'm always eating. Oh my god. From today onward, I'm going to be cooking this in my house and eating. I'm going to spend money again. So guys, as you guys can see, this meal is super delicious. I tried in my possible way to make the cooking, the video of the cooking. I tried to make it very simple and easy for you to be able to, you know, learn from it. So I mean, you can just try a little, you know, just try it and stop buying Ofada from outside. Cook. Oh god. Bye bye. We'll see you guys later. I need to sit down and enjoy this food.